Stop the war. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning of a powerful and significant phrase, stop the war. This is not just a string of words but a call to action and a plea for peace that resonates globally. Let's explore its implications and usage in English. The phrase, stop the war, directly calls for an end to a conflict or battle. Stop is a verb that means to bring an activity to an end. War refers to a state of armed conflict between different countries or different groups within a country. Together, the phrase is a demand or plea to cease hostilities. Beyond the literal, stop the war, can be used metaphorically. In everyday conversation, it might refer to ending a personal conflict or disagreement, urging individuals to resolve their differences and restore peace. Historically, the phrase has been used in anti-war movements and peace campaigns. It's a rallying cry that has echoed through protests and advocacy efforts, highlighting its importance in social and political contexts. In English, stop the war functions as both a standalone statement and part of a larger dialogue. It's a phrase that carries weight in speeches, literature, and everyday discussions about peace and conflict. For language learners, understanding phrases like stop the war is crucial as it opens up a broader comprehension of cultural contexts and the emotional weight of words. It's not just about the grammar but the message and its impact. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Stop the War. I hope this video has not only enriched your understanding of the phrase but also the profound message it carries. May this learning contribute to your journey in mastering the English language and appreciating its nuances.